Starting out this Friday night, I took the motor back. I picked the motor up and straightened her out a little bit, torqued it down. Andy's here hanging out. And right now I'm working on the radiator for the RX7. I bought this shroud off of eBay. It was like 60 bucks. Figured it would cost me that much in aluminum anyway. And they made a mistake and sent me 2 fans with it as well, so that's pretty cool. But I'm going to weld this shroud here to the aluminum radiator itself, and then from there I have to make mounting brackets and I'll be thrown in the car.
So it's good. We're not going to make an AI-looking human being because the human form is not the best or ideal form. You didn't love it? No, it was good. I loved it. I want to marry it. You want to marry it? No. I agree. The reason why the moon theory is so juicy for people is because there's so much of this stuff.
So I know I haven't done much talking as of yet for this video, but in the footage you'll see I started out by cutting up the plates. I'm making the intercooler for the RX7. I need the intercooler so I can fit up the V-mount setup with the rad. But anyway, I started out by cutting up the plates here. I used actually a there it is, a skill saw. A lot of people don't know that, but a wood saw and a skill saw will actually cut through aluminum plate pretty well. But anyway, so I started out by cutting those up and then, cleaning off all the edges. And then I hole sawed these end plates where the tank connectors would be and welded those in, and I just finished up fitting all the pieces together. And they're a little hot yet, but what I always do is I'll tack them from the inside, and I tack all the outside corners, and then before I, right when I'm about to weld it, I'll tack these corners up because it makes it easier to round them. However, because this is going in my RX7, which is going to be like a show car for my shop here, before I weld it, what I'm actually going to do is surface finish all these sides so they're real nice and clean. And I didn't want to do that beforehand just from, fabricating. I didn't want to scratch up the surfaces. So it's, 3:30 in the morning right now. I'm going to go get a bite to eat and then go home. I got work in the morning for me, but the afternoon for normal people. And then when I get back here tomorrow, I'm going to work on surface finishing these and hopefully getting them welded up to the intercooler core, which is over there. I'm also going to try and make a more informative video of how to build an intercooler for some of the fabricators out there, but obviously this is just part of my vlogging series of the shop's shenanigans. The WRX in the back, I had to redesign this ram air filter as I was having some issues getting the car to run. I used to have the MAF housing placed here, and apparently the Subaru didn't like the turbulence there, so I moved it right there so it's in a straight line. Other than that, I got my exhaust gaskets in, so now I can take the turbo and everything off and I'm going to be making a stainless steel up pipe with an external wastegate flange on it. And then I'm going to probably do like a hood dump for a wastegate dump tube. So I got the surface finishing done with the end tanks, and I'm about to set them up and start welding them. So hopefully these will come out real nice.
through the trim, and so the universe is out there grams per cubic centimeter. So we've seen a low grade form of inflation even occurring today. So this is another reason we believe in inflation. So I talked about sizes in the universe, and it was so hot that stars could not exist, planets could not exist. Molecules
Alright, here we are with the intercooler all finished up. Got everything welded. Looking pretty nice. And that's going to get in conjunction with this rad set up in a V-mount. So the intercooler will kind of tuck under here a little bit, and it's going to be mounted horizontally like this. And I'll go over the, thermodynamics of a V-mount setup once I, get everything in the car. But in conjunction with the air flowing through the front, it'll be more like this, but the V will kind of suck all the air, and the air will come in, pass through the intercooler and the radiator, and then preferably up and out the top of the hood scoop in here. And I got to make all sorts of venting and stuff. However, but I just wanted to close up this video about the intercooler here, getting all finished up. I'm trying to see what people are more into on this YouTube channel, so if you don't mind leaving me a comment about what you guys want to see, I can do more how-to videos or more stuff on tool tips, or just more welding tips. I don't know if guys like seeing the arc shots and stuff like that. Obviously, everything going on with the cars in here, we'll keep that coming. Or if guys want more like daily vlog things with more like face cams and just talking about stuff, I don't know. I got plenty of time at night to do this stuff. So yes, give me a subscribe if you're new to the channel, and look forward to some good videos coming out.